I want to show you how you can change the background color in Power BI. So you're going from this, like a report with some visuals, to actually this, a report with a background color. And you can change the background color for every page of your report. So you could pick different background colors if you want to. I will show you in Power BI how to do this. So we open Power BI and here's my report. And now I go to the format pane. This is this button here. If you don't see this button, go to view and then format pane. And now we need to click somewhere where there's nothing yet, no visual. And then we get in the format pane these options for our background in Power BI. And if we go to canvas background, we see that we could pick an image or a color. And when I pick color, for example, this dark blue, nothing happens. And that's because transparency is still on 100%. It's standard in Power BI. So you can move that to 0 and you will see now you have your background color, and you can choose any color you want. So like this green, but you could also make it lighter color. And if you don't like any of the options you see here, you can go to more colors and just pick one you like. And you see while I'm busy, it changes on the background. So you can try different options there. So this is really easy to change the background color in Power BI. Go to view, format pane, make sure that you see it. Click somewhere where there's no visual and then choose a color and make sure that transparency is set to 0. I hope this helps.